Hey guys, it's me, Kelly, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm decorating my graduation cap. My drive-through graduation is tomorrow, and usually we're not allowed to decorate graduation caps, so I did not plan to decorate this, but now apparently we're allowed to, and it's tomorrow and I don't know what to do. But I'll read off some ideas that I want to do. Calligraphy. I don't have a specific quote I want on here, and I feel like that'd be like pretty cringe. She believed and she did. Or, I don't know, you know those like quotes, like I don't like those. Maybe a pun. I was also thinking about doing Carnegie Mellon or CMU or something like that, because a lot of people do the college they're going to. I felt like that would be too boring. I don't know, I'm just really indecisive, okay? Paint or craft. See, those are the two options I have. I really like butterflies. So maybe I could paint some butterflies and like fold it so like the wings look like they're going up and it'll be like sticking out. That'll be cute. I might try drawing it with like markers, because also if I do marker then like it would dry faster. This is the painting that I did that I kind of was like going off of. You can see that I tried to go for the blended look, but it just didn't work out. Oh, I had this blue. I could have used this to make it light at the top. Okay, I'll do that next time. Okay, so I cut it out. Here's the butterfly. I would put it on my cap, fold it so the wings look more 3D, and like glue it on my cap. And like just a bunch of these like all around different sizes. That would be so cute, right? Okay, actually change of plans. I want to do Carnegie Mellon on here. Like I'm going to put butterflies probably on the bottom and then write Carnegie Mellon in calligraphy, the top in black or something. I'm going to do these colors. This is like the Carnegie Mellon plaid. So there's blue in there. I'm gonna do red, green, and yellow also. I'm purposely making this pretty messy because I know the black stripes are gonna tie it all in, so I don't have to try too hard. But I'm just gonna color them all first so that I have a dry base, and then I'm gonna outline them all later. Okay, I got all my blue butterflies cut out, and this is what it's looking like. Their main color is actually red, so I'm gonna do the biggest butterfly red, so bigger than this blue one. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. I drew out the rest of the butterflies for yellow and green. I don't have yellow and green paper. Okay, the yellows are pretty easy to color because there's not a lot of big contrast. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. I feel like the green was like actually really easy to blend because I never used greens, so the markers are like really fresh and wet, so like it would blend easier, you know? I think that looks good, but I'm going to laminate these because I don't want them to rip. So my laminator is running and I'm just gonna fit all of the butterflies inside this laminating sheet. Honestly, having a laminating machine is so nice because of stuff like this and because you get to laminate anything you want. I realized that I can't actually bend these yet because I need to cut them out. So that's gonna be a little bit of a problem. I hope I can still bend it later. Okay, the green one came out of the thing, but when I tried to fold it, it would just like crumple here. I'm gonna try scoring this with an X-Acto knife. If I score the back, then it'll bend in the front. Oh, it works. This is how the back looks. I'm gonna cut these all out and I'll be back after they're all scored like this so I could go assemble the cap. This is the front of the cap and it's supposed to go this way, so this is the way I'm gonna start gluing them. I have double-sided tape right here, so I'm just gonna try that out first. Oh, it sticks pretty well. Okay. I'm gonna do this because it's gonna be easier than glue. All the butterflies are stuck on, they're so cute. And now I'm gonna put on some of these gems. These are stickers, so they could just go on really easily. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so let's just say we have this much of space. And let me try writing. I'm gonna give this some color by outlining it in red. I'm gonna laminate these to match the butterflies. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna put more gems and I'm gonna put some of these nail glitters on too. For these nail glitters, I'm not really sure how I should glue them on. I think I'm just gonna use eyelash glue. Okay, never mind. Eyelash glue does not work. Okay, I got my regular Elmer's glue. I haven't used Elmer's glue in such a long time that it's like glued shut. The only thing that I have that I could open is a glue stick. I use the back of this. I'm just gonna like dot it.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly.
I think I'm done with my cap. I really like how it turned out. This is my finished cap. I love how the butterflies are 3D. I love this idea. I'm glad I didn't do like a cheesy quote or like make it super plain. Carnegie Mellon gave us little pins in the mail. And if it works, I'm gonna try to like get this pin and put it on the circle. Like stick it in. Okay, we did it. Now for the finishing touch, my tassel. When it's on me, it's gonna look like that. And then from the back, it's gonna look like that. Okay, I hate how I look with this hat on. I don't know how I'm gonna take a picture tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I hate this. This is so ugly. How do you even put it lower? My ear's just like sticking out. I hate this. Ah. Surprisingly, these butterflies aren't coming off. Wait, is there? That's a bug. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's a bug. That's a bug. That's a bug. That's a bug. I got it. I got it. Okay, back to my cap. OOTD. I got the NHS bib thing. And I got 3 ropes, cords, whatever. A lot of other schools get a lot of like cords and like medals and stuff. Our school does not do that. This took me 7 hours straight. 7 hours straight. That's a lot of footage. Like, I don't know how I'm going to edit this, but hopefully it's not too long. And if you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you want more crafty videos like I did this cap and my embroidery video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!